Hello students, our today's topic is exchange rate differences. For bank reconciliation, we have to set the exchange rate differences ledger also. Define the numbers of the account to which you want the system to automatically post exchange rate differences when valuating open items and foreign currency balances. You can also define the accounts for realized exchange rate differences during open item clearing. You can use the currency type to control account determination during open item valuation and exchange rate difference posting. You could, for example, post gains in local currency. You could, for example, post gain in local currency and gains in group currency to separate accounts. When valuating open items, the system posts to a balance sheet adjustment account and to an account for exchange rate differences that occur during the valuation. Exchange rate differences could be either a gain or a loss. You store the account numbers accordingly. The valuation of a foreign currency balances requires a special key that is assigned the gain and loss account for posting any exchange rate differences that occur during valuation. You can freely define this key and you then enter it in master records of the accounts that you want to evaluate. To post the differences that are determined from a group of a GL account to the same gain or loss account, enter the same key for all these GL accounts. For exchange rate differences, we have to go for by transaction code OBA1 or by path SPRO SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Periodic Processing, Valuate, Foreign Currency Valuation, prepare automatic postings for foreign currency valuation. SAP में जाते हैं. SPRO SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Periodic Processing, Valuate, Foreign Currency Valuation, prepare automatic posting for foreign currency valuation. Double click on exchange rate difference, open item GL account, that is KDF. Enter your chart of account, then click on continue button, and we have to assign here our ledger. So double click on bank account and see our loss and gain ledger. Now copy it and change our incoming ledger. Press enter and save it. Click on request and select exchange rate differences. Exchange rate differences. Click on continue button. Now again click on copy and change our ledger to outgoing payment. Press enter and then click on save button. One 1900. ओके हमने 20 जनरेट किया है, नो इशू. सेव करते हैं. अगेन कॉपी एंड चेंज अवर मेन बैंक अकाउंट एंड देन क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन.